I am 51 years old. I am 51 years old. Oscar, how old are you? "16. Okay, 16. I am 51 years old. How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Great. Now you ask Teresa.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Great, Teresa. Now you ask Sam.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Excellent, Sam. Now you ask Isabel.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Outstanding, Isabel. How old is Oscar?
He is 16 years old.
Sam, how old am I?
You are 51 years old.
Teresa, how old is Sam?
He is 17 years old.
Sam, how old is Teresa?
She is 15 years old.
Teresa, are you 15 years old?
No, I am 16 years old.
It's okay, Sam. Good try. How old is Teresa?
She is 16 years old.
Great. How old am I? Teresa.
You are 51 years old.
Great. Okay.